guys, it is 2 days later. It is Sunday. It is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to each and every one of y'all out there watching this video right now, y'all. I was supposed to continue this vlog on Friday, y'all, but I didn't continue it after I made tacos and stuff like that. Didn't nobody want to go to Michael's with me, and then yesterday was Saturday, and I looked up the tie-dye, how to tie-dye. I looked it up too late. It was about 1 o'clock when I looked it up, and it was basically saying something like, do the shirt, let it sit for 8 hours. After it sit for 8 hours, then put it in the dryer. Yeah, it was just a lot. So I was just like, we're gonna pass on the tie-dye maybe another time. But it's Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to each and every one of y'all out there watching this video right now. I got the gang with me over here.
Little boy Leandre.
There you go, Liana, who just got her hair done.
So this is what they doing on Easter. I let you know Leandre do his own thing, y'all.
Okay.
And my mama did my thing.
And I helped Lily out. Let me see you, girl. So she got on this little dress. She got on her little dunks.
Mama, take a pic.
I'll take a pic in a minute, girl.
This one
And then she got the little, oh, I'll fix it. She got the little knots going on, the little bantu knots. Don't touch it. Let me do it. I'll fix it in a second. So yeah, y'all ready to
Walk in step. Don't you run, make it.
Alright, don't, because they be copywriting me too much. I ain't got time for no singing. Alright, y'all, so since it's Easter, y'all want to see what y'all got in your Easter basket?
Yeah!
Okay, well, we about to go.
I thought you want some comments. You already know what the answer.
Alright, well, let's go see. Let's go find out. Look at y'all already ready. Y'all ready?
What is in there?
We got this little golden egg. We're not gonna open this one till the very last, okay? So I'm gonna sit this right here.
It better be something in there.
Mama,
Leave it alone.
I heard something in there.
It is something in there. All right, sit back.
Is there something good that we
Lily,
like?
sit back.
You'll see when you open it. Sit back. All right.
We don't get it.
All right, go ahead and open up y'all
We
basket.
got some cotton candy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I got some slippers.
Got some
What?
bubbles.
I got some like shoes, you know.
Got some
Sandals?
bubbles.
And then I got some little shorts.
Open them.
That can go
Got
down.
some cheese.
Light on one side, dark on the other side. Some little
Yeah, these be on Brookhaven.
cheese balls
These
in the
be
shape
on
of a carrot.
These be on Roblox, like they be long and yeah, it's just pins on.
I got some
Oh, okay.
egg gums. I do not like gum. Like these type of gums, they only last like flavor for 2 minutes.
2 seconds.
Yeah, me neither. And we got some.
You got gum?
Egg gum.
And then I
We got some carrot cheese balls. Carrot cheese balls.
I got some Peeps. They got Mike and I flavor.
Yeah, that's
And
the
we
Mike and Ike
got
one.
a whole nother box of these gums.
Yeah.
Sour Patch Kids. Let's
And we got, my teacher got these at school. Yeah,
She had those at school.
yep. She be giving it to us when we
I got
get our
some
math
chocolate.
done and stuff. And I got some candy.
Cotton
My
candy.
life,
You know,
I got some
you
Peeps.
know?
Yeah.
That's all the sugar.
So that's what I got.
Some peeps.
And I got some more. I got an outfit.
Yeah, you got some tank tops.
Yeah, it can go perfect with the outfit.
Yeah.
I wonder what's
I got
in
some
here.
carrots, like.
Alright, I just want one here. Is what in here? Is
Carrots.
what in
No hints, Junior. No hints. Okay. Some bubbles and cheese balls.
And we got Peeps.
I know you got shorts on, but how you supposed to sit with a dress, Mama?
We got Peeps. Peep Sucker. Mike and Ike.
Yeah, Mike and Ike's flavor.
Yep. Which is, I hate Mike and Ike, but I love them.
You do.
And then we got another one, but it's actually rainbow marshmallow pop.
Those just the regular original ones.
And then we got a chocolate bunny egg.
Yep, a nice little chocolate bunny. Is that everything?
Nope.
Dang, girl, you taking all year.
And then we got another one just the same as the blue one.
Yeah.
And we got a pink one.
Yes, I got Liana a few outfits or whatever, y'all.
And then, see my basket.
Empty. So I had got Liana like those shorts, some tank tops, and a pair of sandals because I had got this young man right here, them UNC 5s, y'all. His shoes cost $220. Now he in a size 8. So I had to try to make it somewhat even. So he got his shoes early and then Liana just got her stuff on Easter. Alright, so y'all happy with y'all stuff y'all got?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, you guys, so we have a golden egg right here and you guys are going to get to open it, okay? Together, okay?
I opened the top.
Alright, let's see. Alright, you guys, so the kids is done opening up all their Easter gifts and everything like that, y'all. They had a good time. They enjoyed what they got. I need to finish getting myself dressed and ready to go, y'all, because I have to be at my aunt's house at 2 o'clock. And your girl is not ever on time. So today I'm trying to be a little different and get myself together so I can get there and be on time, y'all. So I will continue recording once we get there because I'm pretty sure they're gonna play some games, have an Easter egg hunt, we're gonna eat and things like that, y'all. So stick around, stay tuned, and we'll see y'all in a minute. You find some, fatty? Dang, you dropping your eggs, bruh.
Come on, there's so
Throw them all in your bag. Hurry up, hurry up. You find some, mama? Don't take your brothers. Okay, yeah. Look.
exactly. Let them fall open in there.
Lord. Junior. Look at the black truck. Black truck. Lily. Where you at? Come here. These kids don't be seeing nothing. Liana.
Yeah.
Look, right in front of you. Look at the truck. Look at the truck. Look. You can't get it? You need help? You need help? Here's some. Look at me. Look at me. Look.
Oh, yeah. And I'm in the car. Oh, yeah.
Get the candies. You getting some, Bella?
Yeah.
Look right here, Bella. You see the tire? Look, come back here where I am. You gotta get on them knees, girl. Lily. Look. Y'all ain't looking how y'all supposed to be looking.
Oh, shoot.
Look. 1, 2.
I see. Oh, I need help.
Oh, you need help? Junior, you can't reach it? Look at him. You better jump. Ah!
Jump way higher than that. You guys gotta work together. Yeah. Jackson didn't even need to jump.
Oh, I knocked it out. Here you go, girl. You got it?
Wait.
I got 2 big ones.
You got 2 big ones?
They have. You can't be taking people. I can. Oh, that's yours.
Y'all check this tree? Did y'all check the tree? Y'all look. Check the tree, check the sidewalk, check people's cars. Mailbox.
And dark.
I don't know.
You found it? Oh, I see it. You gonna get it for her, mama? Girl, you ain't even gonna be able to get up there.
Watch yourself so you don't scratch yourself, baby. I got it.
That's a big one.
Do you have a big egg?
You don't have the big. Check the outside of the car.
You got some? Andrew, where are your shoes?
What shoes?
Who got the most eggs, you think?
No, that's me.
I think she got a lot.
Whoa, we gonna see. Let's go count. You do good, Bella?
Yeah.
Got their choppers. Let me see your chopper. Okay. Okay, what you got? Okay. Little some. What you got? Ooh. Oh, is that the little deuce? Nerf war! Come on, Uncle David. Ah! Somebody popped me in the head. What the heck? I'm not in this. Junior, look at Junior. You better. Ah! I'm not in it. I'm out. You. Dang. I done got popped in the forehead. Uncle David thought he was John Wick. It hurt, huh? Dang. You thought you was John Wick, huh? You just was unloading the chop on me. Ah! Y'all better get these bullets off the ground. You know the best way to take your enemy down is to get them while they loading up the chopper. You know what I'm saying? While they loading up, you gotta
Wait.
Oh, she doing the bubbles. Oh, you gotta take your time, put it in there. Yeah. Now try. Woo! That's so cool.
Okay, can I try it? Yeah. I'm gonna ask my mom.
Don't you shoot me, boy. Don't you. You gonna be grounded. Don't shoot me. You need to load up. You got some empty spots. Bella, why you ain't busting at him? Where your gun, girl?
In the car.
Why you don't want to get it?
I just don't want
You just want to get shot at? Girl. You get shot at and girl.
my
Oh, you got to get up on them? Ah! Oh, Lord.
Emma, can I shoot you?
Don't shoot Emma. Don't shoot me.
Smoke? Want the smoke?
I don't want no smoke. I am the smoke. Ah, that's my thigh. Son, you got popped in the face? Dang.
I didn't know Grandma had aim like that.
Grandma out here busting too. That's when you get her when she was bending over trying to load the chopper. Dang, dog, you just getting it. Y'all just standing back.
Hey, Grandma.
Dang, Grandpa. Uncle David getting knocked out. Dang. I'm trying to hide y'all because I don't want no parts, but they keep getting me. I done got hit in the forehead, the thigh, the face, the cheek, just everywhere. Like, I don't want to play. I just want to film. That's it. Bust it. Oh.
He got back turned.
Alright, y'all, so we are finally back at home. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part at Aunt Kim Uncle David house?
either the Easter hunt, the
The
food, or football.
The Easter hunt, the food, and riding the scooter, and the Nerf gun challenge.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Y'all have fun?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now they got their little Easter baskets from their grandma. So.
You should have went to our other grandma because she got Lily a basket and she gonna cash out me some money for cash out.
Well, yeah, that's what she'll do, cash app. All right, go ahead.
Alright. My first thing,
I got a Holly Pocket. You can go first.
I got some gloves. I don't know if you
Those
got
are
gloves.
exfoliating gloves, like when you take a shower or whatever. You don't know nothing about that, so I'll take those up off your hand. All right, Lily, what you got?
You can go first, hold.
No, just go.
We're taking turns. Oh, we just show it together, like keep showing.
You let her go, and then you.
Oh, I got a Holly Pocket Polly Pocket, and it's like a unicorn. So you put all the stuff in the thing, and then there's her best friend.
Okay.
And then next I'm gonna show y'all, I was already drinking some because I was real thirsty. It's Minute Maid Blue Raspberry, which I'm gonna drink it throughout this video because.
You thirsty?
Okay, I got a fairy tales book. So I
Coloring
got
book?
it. And I got markers too, so that's good. And gloves.
And then next I got is some eggs. So I'm gonna just keep opening them. So first, this egg got some Hershey's.
Some candy in it.
And then this blue egg, it has Hershey's. And then this egg, it got some like
Reese's. Oh, okay. We don't want to see the eggs. Just show us the big stuff, okay?
And I got a jump rope.
Cool.
Strawberry shortcake cherry on top. How
And then I got a
many boyfriends do you
beanbag.
got?
I got a beanbag. Me and Lisa got a beanbag. She got the navy blue one. I got that one.
And then I got my own Bruno customized cup. So it starts like this, and you have to put some
What
stickers
the
on
heck?
it.
My thing melted.
That's cool.
The head melted.
Dang, because it was in the truck. It was hot probably.
But yeah, I got this is yours and this is grandma's. But caramel, I hate caramel.
Caramel is good.
And I got some socks and rubber bands.
Mmm.
Socks. And then I got some knife.
And then
I got some slime, which is, you know, wild.
Don't open that.
Every Easter, I always see these.
It's gum.
I know.
Don't open that.
What is this called?
It's like slime.
Slime.
What is this called?
It's called put away and don't open it unless you outside.
I got blue jelly filling. That's what it's called. I think this is like candy jelly. I don't think this is slime.
Oh, okay.
And then
Yeah.
I should have put this on a tripod. My arms is hurting. Y'all need to come out.
I got this. During your favorite.
I have that too.
I got this.
I got the blue one.
I
This
got
is
the
better.
dipping stuff.
She got like pink. I
It
got blue
says
stuff.
dip it to it.
I love these. I got the sucker blow pops with no stick.
The
I love
minis.
these. I had these last Easter.
I got the sour Skittles.
Those are not sour. Those are wild berry
Look at
Skittles.
some super sour gumballs.
Oh.
My hair is
And
so...
Oh, you got that jumbo balloon ball.
Yeah, that Bella got.
Yeah.
Somebody already put that mouth on his ugh.
How you know?
Cause it's wet.
How you know? It's probably, girl.
I got a balloon too.
Oh, I got an extra.
What is this?
That was
It's a balloon and it's a string and you like hit it and it go back and forth.
Yeah, Bella has it at home. At Mooney's.
Really?
And then I got Nerds roll. Yes, sir. How does she know what I like?
Lily, don't tie that up. Don't let the air out.
How does she know what I like, y'all?
And then I got some
Ooh.
finger paint soap for
Yeah.
the bathtub.
I got this
Yeah.
blue Nike level sweater, hoodie, whatever you want to call it.
And then I got
That's the what's his name? Russell Wilson brand.
and then I got some chalk.
Chalk. Ooh, for your chalkboard in the room.
And then I got some shorts. Got some shoes.
Do you like blow pop?
Yeah.
It's the blow pop minis with the gum. You don't like them?
I never had them, but I still.
I got some Smarty gumballs, a lot of gumballs.
I got some Sour Patch Kids. Don't miss that.
I'm gonna eat these tonight. I got some tropical Skittles. You can never go wrong with Skittles.
Especially the wild berry or the tropical.
More
And then I got another
clothes.
balloon.
I got more clothes.
Mmm.
I got this one, and I got orange.
And then I got this yellow.
I got this one, and then I got this to match with.
Got this yellow Tommy Hilfiger
Okay.
shirt to go like with some blue pants and forces
And
like
then
that.
Some
got
shorts or something.
orange.
And then I got another Tommy Hilfiger shirt. This is the red one, which I could put on my like some legs.
Something.
And then I got bigger lemonade.
Oh, you got a brisk tea?
Yeah.
And then I got
Then
Easter.
look, I got a breakfast tea.
Oh, sorry to break it to you, Leona. That's strawberry. Yeah, bring that over here. Y'all know my kids hate strawberry.
Then I got some Easter grass.
This is pink lemonade, Mama. You like pink lemonade?
You should have 2 good drinks.
No, you have.
I don't want that. You love pink lemonade.
Okay, you can just.
And then I got cotton candy again.
Mmm.
And then I told you I had some markers.
What the?
And I know with them markers, they better be only on paper.
And that's your purse.
Yeah, Leona got in trouble and she was grounded
Okay,
because.
don't talk about that. Now.
Mm.
It's too late. It's in the past.
It's in the
Okay,
past.
Polka dot shirt. We got this polka dot shirt.
And then I got some Uno Magic.
And we got some.
Uno emoji.
Stop being
And
so
then we got some of these, which is already got.
Some leggings. You can never have enough
I
leggings.
got some Starburst. You want one?
Mm-mm.
And I can't never have
Maybe
enough
another day.
leggings. I can't never have
Oh,
enough.
I know you want one of these though,
A Snicker.
Got some
Oh,
Now I got some drawers. I wish I had socks. I need socks. I don't need no more drawers. And
I
I got, man, this could have been socks to the beaters.
It's alright. We'll get you some socks.
And then I got some color pencils.
Oh, that's cute. That's upside down, Mama.
And then I got some pants. Some Tommy Hill. Oh, these is shorts.
Shorts.
Tommy
Yeah, some Tommy Hilfiger
Hilfiger.
I got two.
It looks like mommy. It just looks like mommy.
So that is my Easter egg basket. So thank
You could turn that into a little dirty clothes hamper.
And then mine's melted as well.
And
Yeah, because they was in the
after
car. Really?
And then I
Ow, my ankle.
that- You okay?
got
I'm gonna knock you out.
some bubble gum, which is nasty.
I don't even.
And I got some orange cotton candy. I got some pink cotton candy.
And then you know what?
Go get y'all some cotton candy. I'm almost done with my
Listen here, you all just to show too.
Yeah, that's her beanbag right there. We just.
Oh, mine is a better color than Junior's. It's this color.
We can
No, yours is blue, girl. Can't you see this? Does this look like that?
Can we switch? You got gray?
No.
Dude, I swear.
I got a blue bean bag, and then I got me some Nerf.
Some candy.
Yeah, and I got me some
Girl, hurry up my arm.
pieces. And then,
I got so much candy.
and
I
then
Here,
I
just
got
start putting it in your.
Reese's.
Yeah.
Reese's pieces.
don't
I smell them.
My arm will start hurting even more.
All right, come quickly, Leek. Show me quick, girl, my arm.
I think there's more. Okay, same thing as Junior. Me and Junior.
We don't want to see what's inside the egg. We know it's candy, so just show
I got
us
some money too. Some money. I got money.
from the hunt.
Hey, I'm getting money from my other grandma.
Starting to clean. That's what I clean.
Child, we just gonna you done?
No. And I got
Another
A white
Tommy.
t-shirt,
That's a
a white-
Tommy Hilfiger white
Tommy
shirt.
Hilfiger white t-shirt. And then I got this, which I want.
Candy gum.
And
You don't
and
want
I got,
A
I got
Snickers.
What's the candy gum you don't want?
And I got Snickers.
What's the candy gum you don't want?
Stop trying to. I don't care. You're not getting it.
I was trying to give it to mom.
And I got Reese's Pieces. And then
Some
we got
Starburst.
Starburst.
What type of Starburst is that?
it's cherry and watermelon and strawberry.
Oh yeah, I might want some of those.
This is
Not
the
right
only
now.
shoes
You
I'm
can
gonna
have it.
match.
I don't even want that.
Only shoes that might match with this is Pearse's.
Boy,
You can
okay.
have this
Oh,
one.
ours are room shoes. I got, hold on.
All right, so that's everything.
No, got me an egg. Let me see.
Oh, I told you we don't care. We know what's in
and
there.
more chocolate. The same chocolate I just showed you.
Exactly. Alright y'all, that's a wrap for today's video. We had a good time, y'all. My aunt and Uncle Kim had did my aunt and my Uncle Kim. My aunt Kim and my Uncle David had did Easter this year, which they do every holiday every year. But this Easter was different because it was Puerto Rican.
Huh?
So like the food was like, we had Puerto Rican food. Everything was just different. So it was very different.
Mac and cheese, like we ain't have no mac and cheese. Like
Yeah,
that
we
was-
didn't have no mac and
I was
cheese,
mad about
bruh.
that.
We ain't have no greens,
Yes,
bruh.
we did have mac and cheese.
That
That
mac
was
and
macaroni
cheese.
salad.
Oh.
That was
I didn't really like it.
yeah, it was okay. So yeah, everything was different this year, but it was good. We had a good time. We had the little Easter egg hunt. We had the Nerf battle. Well, they did. I didn't participate, but they was still shooting your girl.
I shot you one time. I had to.
Yeah, but overall, yeah, we had an amazing time. It was good vibes. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. We had a good time. The kids had a good time. They had a good Easter. Y'all had a good Easter?
Yeah, this dookie.
It's melted chocolate, boy. So yeah, y'all, everything was a vibe, y'all, and they enjoy all their stuff. Make sure y'all call y'all grandma and tell her thank y'all. Thank
Oh, I
you.
thought she said call her when we were opening it.
No, she said just call her when y'all open it, so then y'all can tell her thank you, basically. So call her and tell her thank you, okay? So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all did, you already know what it is. I need y'all to do. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe for a vibe. Make sure y'all post notifications are on all so that y'all will be notified every single time we upload these videos. Until next time, believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. With that being said, y'all keep thriving. Until next time, we're going to see y'all in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.